Hi there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on image conversion to text with using OpenAI. So let's get started. Okay, so for this, I have set up this API connector call with the OpenAI image to text conversion, and I have also added the authorization and bearer token at the top. You can directly add it here, or at the top will make it universal for everyone. And for this, I have added these prompts and all the details. Okay, so what do we need here? So first of all, what we need is this completions slash chat, and then we have this JSON part, and then we have this image URL part. So what we are doing here is basically giving it access to this image URL, and it will generate as completion. And you can see here you are a helpful assistant that extracts handwritten or typed text from image, response only with extracted text and no more comment, no extra commentary. And just upload the URL over here. This is a simple call with some completions, action, and JSON type. Or what you can do is go to OpenAI and give it a prompt to give you a JSON form for bubble. Okay, so this is the prompt I've given it, and it will respond me with the JSON, which I can copy and paste and use it to extract text from images. So I will upload the images, and this will give me a JSON form of code that I can copy in my bubble project for the text extraction. So you can see this is a OCR chat completions, and we have this authorization content type format this, and this is your OCR tool, and this, and the same formatting, everything is the same, just little bit model changes. You can directly copy and paste and it will work for you. And this is bubble uploaded image URL. So any file we upload here, we can use it directly and make it as the uploaded image for the text extraction. Okay, so after this whole process is done, and the model is this, the detail is this, just copy and paste this exact whole thing, and let's reinitialize the call, and let's see what's the response here. So the response is ABC and this. So let's check it out for ourselves. What is this on this URL? Let's copy, and you can clearly see this is a handwritten thing, so this is converted into text for us. All right, and for the design part, what you can do is come over here and use the OpenAI call for image extraction, image to text, and select the file from the file uploader here in this part. Set the state from result of step 1. And for this, we'll have to go a little bit in the API call and check what is the response. So we can see we have choices, and then role, and then we have content. Choices, messages, and then content. So let's set it with that. We have choices, messages, content, And after this is done, let's reload the page and check it out. Okay, so you can make it dynamic by adjusting it with the file uploader. I have already given it the URL, so let's just convert. And you can clearly see it's the same thing, copied and paste. So ABC at the top, PEFGHIJKLMN, and the next line OPQRSTXYZ up to the third line, and it's repeating the same thing exactly from over here. ABC is in small up to Z with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. So this is how this OCR works, and you can use it to create your own thing, any kind you want. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Take care.